are the results of today's football matches?
Goldfish 5, Cats 0.
The goldfish played at home, and the cats did not like the water.
Dogs 10, Parrots 2.
Those expert dogs have obviously been practicing.
Rabbits 0, Tortoises 1.
The rabbits got lazy, but the tortoises played the long game.
Lizards 9, Snakes 1. The lizards had the advantage because of their feet.
Guinea pigs 4, hamsters 6.
The hamsters were super fast because they used their own hamster balls. Tarantulas 18, snails 0. Spider legs meant of lots of goals there. Thank you for watching the Pets Premier League. Goodbye for now.